again. My viewers, my subscribers, my dishwashers, my awesome, lovely people. Thank you for being here on another vlog. Another beautiful day. Me being a dishwasher, I am going into work. I've never ever worked a Wednesday in my life. Today I close. It's currently going to be 5 o'clock right now. It's 4:51. Maybe today will be busy. It is Burger Wednesday. You get burger for like $5, I think. It's a cheap little deal. Doesn't seem like it's busy, but who knows? Pizza and beer. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, over 28, maybe 30 cars. Let's do this. Let's have a great day.
It's kind of a process, but this is just showing that I went.
There's a good amount of dishes, but I'm gonna knock them down no matter what. Might as well put all my stuff in this closet. Yeah, you guys are with me. There's literally a good pile of dishes in the kitchen. So, I shall see you guys when I see you. What the fuck is that? Dirty dishes. Anyway, I'm here. I'll knock this shit down. Oh, what? Yeah, I'll knock today down. Look at the dishes that are behind me. It's really nothing. It's nothing. Remember, dishwashers, no matter what, you'll always have a pile of dishes when you come into work. That's if you do. If you can get it knocked down, just like me, I'll get all these dishes knocked down pretty quick. I'll see you guys when I see you. I just said that. Yeah, my viewers, my subscribers, my dishes, my motherfucking dishwashers. There's literally nothing right there. I put away the silverware bins. There's not that much shit left. So right now, it's literally 12:10. Nope, go down. 12:05. So, yeah, I've never closed Wednesdays ever. And honestly, it's a lot in a sense. It really isn't a lot. It was boring as fuck today. It's just, I gotta get it in my head to not let stupid shit stress me out. And as in stupid shit, I mean so little things, like the ramekins not being dumped out, the soup crocks not being dumped out, those cups not being thrown over right here. It's just little things that irritate me. But being a dishwasher, you literally do everything yourself, so whatever. The awesome ass cook, the awesome line cook, Stefan. Thank you, Stefan. He's probably not gonna watch this vlog, but I'm gonna tell him that I fucking shouted him out. Stefan, I appreciate you for just lifting up my spirits, for telling me to literally let shit out if something's bothering me, to talk about it and not keep it bottled up inside me. Yeah, I appreciate you, Stefan, for real. You telling me that made me feel so better about myself. And yeah, aside from me being stressed out and like just being mad over stupid shit, I'm good now. I'm fucking great. I'm gonna get out at a good time, probably. It's gonna be a good fucking night. It's Wednesday night. Actually, right now it's currently Thursday. I don't work today for Thursday, bro. Like this video, dislike this video, comment below, guys. If you're new to this channel, bye. Don't forget to subscribe. Bye, Victoria. Yeah, don't forget to subscribe. If you're new to this channel, you do not see a Restaurants Dishwasher vlog and record almost every day that he's washing dishes. It's very boring right now. Literally, we got maybe 40 minutes left of work. And, yeah. There's literally nothing else going on. The pepper, like,
What?
because they gotta, Nick's gotta empty it. That's what I'm thinking that he has to do, right? Yeah. And I'm just looking at it, I'm like, there's pepper right there. It's just chilling. That was my manager, guys. Literally, the manager that doesn't let me vlog and record. Anyways, thank you guys for being here. Over 430 subscribers. I mean 530. I don't know. I'm just so happy. Thank you, Stefan, for real. Thank you. You the OG. You the motherfucking MVP. Thank you.
Oh, what up, though? Hey, east side nigga.
What about the west side, though?
Hey, I fuck with them hard, though.
Hard. Too hard. Yes! More dishes. I literally caught you guys. You almost fell. I literally almost dropped you guys. Anyway, I'm gonna close and get today over with.
Shit, my bad, you.
You're good. Finished. I'm done. Everything's clean. Pretty much. Well, what am I saying? Pretty much. Yes. Ugh. Fucking hair. Everything is clean. It was a good Wednesday. Oh, wait. You guys aren't right there. You guys are right there. Oh, I gotta switch the camera. Fuck. There you guys are. Perfect. Today, Wednesday, I kicked ass. Everything was good. I haven't closed ever on a Wednesday, but all of the cups are clean. Just one little bus tub full of dishes for whoever's here in the morning. I have no clue. I almost slipped and ate shit on the fucking clean floor that I cleaned. Yeah, everything is clean, guys. Look at this dish machine. That shit's clean, right? Yeah? So is my little roundabout. Anyways, guys, thank you for being here. Thank you for liking this video, disliking this video, subscribe if you're new to this channel. But there's always a brighter side to life. You're here with me back in my apartment. It was a great Wednesday. Thursday I have off. Well, it's currently Thursday. Who knows what I'll do. 2:55 a.m. Thank you for being here. You can always turn your negatives in your life into a positive. There's always a brighter side to life, guys. Stay positive.